Hi, this is Orkoprabhu Nandi. As a part of the ANI AI internship program in the November batch I am from, and my task is to complete the project 5, where the topic is essentials of Python programming, and the project is to develop rock, paper, and scissors game using Python programming, and additionally you have to implement the lizard and this Spock game using this flowchart, right? So here I have implemented this game. So I imported a random function from Python, and here it is the choice of computer. So I have written C choice, and it is a list containing rock, paper, scissor, lizard, and Spock. These are the 5 choices which the computer have, and these I have put in the list. Now, while I have made it is all as I have made it as true, means there is no condition when entering this loop. So the rock, paper, scissor, lizard, Spock can start it. So I have initialized you win. That means I am the user here. So you win is initialized as 0, and computer win is also initialized as 0, because at the start nobody is playing the game. So uh, I have created that there are 5 rounds for I in range 1 to 6. That is range, it starts from 1 and go up to 5. And here the ith round starts according to 1 2 3 4 5, and I have to select any one option. And here I have taken the input has to be written in string. That is, here the condition is that I have to use is digit to mark the input invalid if it is a digit. So I have taken the input as the string. That is, if I press A, then rock will be entered. If my choice is B, then paper will be entered. If my choice is scissor, then if my choice is C, then scissor will be entered. And if my choice is D, then lizard. And if my choice is E, then Spock. And if my choice is in the form of digit, that is 1 2 3 4, any digit, then it is printed as invalid choice, and it breaks here. And if it is also any other type of special symbols, then it tells that it is an invalid choice. So when the computer choice I have taken, that it will choose randomly from this list by using the random.choice choice function. And random.choice, here I have taken put the list of the computer's choice, and here the computer selects. And if my choice is equal to computer choice, then I will be get +1 and computer will also get +1, and that means the round is drawn. Else if there are certain combinations are there. So I am moving to this flowchart here. So carefully observe that if my choice is paper and computer choice is rock, so paper covers rock. So that means that in this condition I am winning. And second choice is your choice is equal to rock and computer's choice is scissor. So here rock and scissor, so rock crushes scissors, so that means again I am also winning. So that is also written this condition by using the OR function. And again my third choice is your scissor, your choice is equal to scissor, and computer choice is paper. So scissor it cuts the paper, so this is also a win-win situation for me. And another choice is lizard, paper. So lizard eats paper, so again a win-win situation. Lizard, Spock, lizard poisons Spock, again I am also winning. And here when your choice is rock and computer's choice is lizard, so rock and lizard. So rock disproves lizard. Or your choice equal to Spock and computer choice equal to rock. So Spock decapitates rock. And another choice is Spock and computer choice is scissor. So Spock and Spock smashes scissors. So again a win-win situation for me. And scissor lizard. So last option comes scissor. Scissors decapitates lizard. So this is also a condition, and ultimately these are the all conditions where I am winning. So it means you win plus equal to 1. That means I am winning in this particular round. Otherwise, if this any one of these conditions doesn't happen, that means, or if any of the draw conditions doesn't happen, that means in the rest of the conditions computer wins. So that means computer will win in this round. Now in summing of the total rounds, if my score in all the rounds, that is you win, is greater than computer win, that means you win this game, and here my score and computer scores is displayed. In other case, if the sum of the computer scores in all the rounds, in all the 5 rounds in the game is greater than my score, then I lose the game and computer wins. And again both of our scores are displayed, and either of these above cases doesn't go on, so that means the match is drawn. So again our scores are displayed. After that, user has to given a choice whether he wants to again continue the game or not. So if user's choice is yes, then the game will continue from here, from the while loop. Otherwise the game will, if he or she presses exit, then the game will terminate, that is break. So usually I am running this game. Let's see what happens. Now I'm running the second code, and then this game method. What happened? It's running. Yes. Now I have to select any one of the option. Now I am taking choosing paper. Let's see what happens. So I selected paper and computer selected result. So according to this game, paper lizard eats paper. Oh, now computer win this round. Now again I have to carefully select scissor. Let's see who win this round. This round is drawn. Okay, then D lizard. So again computer wins this round because I selected lizard and computer selected scissor. Okay, then I press E. Then again paper, I selected Spock and computer selected paper. Again computer wins this round. Now I am taking digital input. I placed 4. Now what happens? Invalid choice, right? As mentioned in the question, is digit means I have to mark the input as invalid if it's a digit. So my program is doing correct. Now I am exiting the game. So thank you.